Using Klarna Financing is a simple and convenient way to pay for purchases over time. To get started, you first need to find a merchant that accepts Klarna as a payment option. Many online retailers and stores offer Klarna as a financing option at checkout. Once you have selected the items you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout page and select Klarna as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website to complete your purchase. Here, you will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Klarna will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. This check will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you will be presented with a payment plan that outlines the total amount you owe, the number of payments, and the due date for each payment. You can choose from several payment options, including paying in 4 equal installments, paying in 6 to 36 months, or paying 30 days after delivery. Once you have selected your payment plan, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions and confirm your purchase. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions before confirming your purchase. Make sure you understand the total amount you owe, the interest rate, and any fees associated with your payment plan. Klarna charges no interest or fees if you pay on time, but late payments may incur a fee. To manage your payments, you can log into your Klarna account online or through the mobile app. Here, you can view your payment schedule, make payments, and track your account activity. You can also contact Klarna customer support if you have any questions or concerns about your account. To avoid late fees and negative credit reporting, make sure to make your payments on time. You can set up automatic payments or receive reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions, you can use Klarna Financing to make purchases with confidence. Remember to always review the terms and conditions carefully and only borrow what you can afford to repay. By using Klarna responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of financing your purchases while maintaining a healthy financial situation.